So that's the tricolor female on the left.
Tricolor female, tricolor male, little Blenheim girl.
Okay. Need to get that other side. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
I guess that feels awkward because it trying to turn them to that side.
A little tricolor male.
And he's very pretty marked.
He's feisty.
Yeah. Very pretty.
And a little tricolor female.
And she's a pretty little thing. Okay. Get a little squeaker toy or something. Let's see if that... Oh, that one makes a terrible noise.
Not what I was expecting either. They have stage fright.
Just let them move around, that's okay. And you can just pull the boy out of the back and show them. That's got a good back shot of the two girls. And just put the boy over there. Yeah, very pretty. Okay, let's turn them all around. Show their little faces again. They're nice babies, very nice.
I love those monkeys.
And she's a cutie. There you go. Okay. Get a close-up. I have to let the little girl in the middle pull her little... Yeah, just lift her a little bit. She's a cute little face. And then the boy. Very pretty boy. Okie doke, I think we've got it.